Hey guys, so just want to do a quick review here of this gaming board here for you. So this is the first one of these I've actually had, but I'm pretty impressed with it. So you can see here you've got the buttons and the joysticks on the front here and everything. So you've basically got on each side, you've got your joystick, a couple buttons up here, coin and start, and then different controls and player buttons there. So you've got the same thing on each side. You got a set here and a set over here. And it's basically you can play with two people at once, so that's pretty cool. On the back side here, taking a look at some of the connections, this is your on and off switch on the far left here. You've got over here, your power is going to go right into here, and they give you the power cable. You've also got your HDMI port right here, and they do also supply you an HDMI cable. VGA input right here, and they do give you a VGA cable as well. Audio, if you want to connect this to other speakers or something like that, you can put an aux cable in there. There is a volume control here because this does have built-in audio as well. And then you've got USB hubs right there. So that is pretty much it for the controls on the back there. So in addition to the HDMI and the VGA cables, they also give you a USB 2.0 cable. And you also get a couple of replacement buttons. There's one white one and then one black one in case you needed to replace any of the ones that have become faulty on here. I'm gonna turn this thing on and we'll go over kind of how it works. So like I said, they give you the HDMI and the power cable. So I've got these plugged in back here. So I've got the HDMI running to my TV. One of the important things about the HDMI cable is it is 800 by 600 resolution, so you need to have a monitor or a TV that is compatible with that. So mine actually works perfect with it and it displays normally, but if you're having issues with that, you're going to need to use the VGA cable and the VGA input back here. Alright, so I'm going to hit this on here. I'll turn